Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best pool hose swivel is probably one of the most underrated components in your pool cleaning arsenal, but trust me, it's a game changer. This little gadget prevents your hose from kinking and tangling, allowing for a smoother, more efficient cleaning experience. If you're tired of wrestling with a stubborn hose while vacuuming your pool, you're in the right place. Number 5. Poolmaster 33440 Heavy-Duty Pool Vacuum Hose. This heavy-duty pool vacuum hose is proudly made in the USA. It's designed for in-ground pools and built to last. You can trust its quality and durability. This hose is perfect for manual pool vacuuming. It works with standard pool vacuums and telescopic poles. It is not designed for automatic or robotic cleaners. The swivel cuff ensures kink-free movement. It's also UV and chemical resistant. This design provides flexibility and ease of use. The hose features a spiral wound construction for strength and flexibility. It is made with extruded flexible EVA and polywelded EVA cuffs. This design ensures it can withstand the rigors of pool cleaning. It's easy to install. The swivel cuff connects to the vacuum head, and the other end connects to the skimmer. This makes setup quick and simple. This is a professional quality pool vacuum hose. It measures 1 to 1.2 inches in diameter and 40 feet long. It's designed to provide efficient and effective cleaning for your in-ground pool. What we like. This pool hose features a swivel cuff, ensuring tangle-free cleaning. Its UV and chemical resistance guarantees durability, and being made in the USA speaks to its quality. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting hose for your in-ground pool, this is a great choice. What people say. Works as intended. This hose is of thicker material and I think slightly softer and more flexible as well. The swiveling ends help keep the kinks from the hose as you work your way around the pool. Number 4. US Pool Supply Hose Connector Coupling. Introducing the US Pool Supply Hose Connector Adapter. This handy tool is designed to connect your pool hoses quickly and efficiently. It's a must-have for pool maintenance. Made from durable plastic, this connector is built to last. It measures 4.75 inches long and can connect various hose sizes. It's perfect for different pool setups. This connector allows you to connect two 1-to-1.4 hoses, two 1-to-1.2 hoses, or even mix and match. It offers flexibility for your pool cleaning needs. It's ideal for connecting vacuum hoses or filter pump hoses. Whether you have an in-ground or above-ground pool or spa, this connector is for you. It's also useful for reducing a 1-to-1.2 hose to a 1-to-1.4 hose. This allows you to use larger pool pumps with smaller pools. We stand behind our product with a trusted brand dedicated to your satisfaction. You can be sure of a hassle-free experience. Get yours today and keep your pool clean and ready to enjoy. What we like. This connector allows you to connect hoses of different sizes, offering flexibility. Made from durable plastic, it ensures a secure and lasting connection. If you have a pool with varying hose sizes or need to connect your vacuum or pump, this connector is a must-have. What people say. Bought to connect our pool skimmer hose. Works well. Very sturdy. Worked just as needed for putting two pipes. Fit and worked as expected. Number 3. US Pool Supply 1-to-1.2x 50-foot Pool Vacuum Hose. This is a professional heavy-duty pool vacuum hose. It's designed for in-ground pools and built to last for years. This hose is a reliable choice for keeping your pool clean. The hose features a kink-free swivel cuff for easy maneuverability. This design prevents tangles, allowing you to easily reach all areas of your pool. Connect it to your vacuum head or skimmer. Constructed with durable EVA material, the hose is UV and chemical resistant. It has an abrasion-resistant outer shell, ensuring it can withstand regular use. This flexible hose is built to last. This hose provides the maximum flow rate for proper suction. It helps you maintain a clean pool, so you can enjoy it. It ensures your pool is always ready for use. Connect the swivel cuff directly to your vacuum head. Attach the other end to the skimmer or pump inlet. It's a simple setup for effective pool cleaning. Backed by a trusted brand, your satisfaction is guaranteed. You can expect a hassle-free experience with this product. Enjoy your clean and clear pool. What we like. This heavy-duty hose features a kink-free swivel cuff for easy maneuverability. Its spiral wound design ensures maximum water flow, allowing for efficient cleaning. If you want a professional-grade hose that provides optimal suction and is built to last, consider this one. What people say. It worked as expected. The connections were a good fit with no leakage. The built-in swivel end is another benefit. Number 2. ATIE Zodiac Polaris Pool Cleaner Ball Bearing Swivel D20. This is a replacement for the Zodiac Polaris Pool Cleaner. It is a ball-bearing swivel D20. It helps connect the feed hoses together. This swivel is designed for Polaris 180, 280, and 380 pool cleaners. It is a direct replacement for the D20 swivel. The installation is straightforward. You'll need 2 hose nuts and one of these swivels to connect 2 feed hoses. It's a simple process. This package includes 3 ball-bearing swivels. This ensures you have spares or can replace multiple swivels if needed. Please note that this swivel is not compatible with the Polaris 360 pool cleaner. Make sure it fits your model. What we like. This is a direct replacement for your Polaris 180, 280, or 380 cleaner. The ball-bearing swivel ensures smooth movement and prevents tangling. If you have a compatible Polaris cleaner and need a replacement swivel, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Easy install, work just like the originals that were on my hose. The old ones were just worn out and would not let the hose swivel, and the new ones were easy to install and worked great. Swapped these in and back at work. Number 1. ATIE Polaris 280,380,180 Pool Cleaner Hose Swivel Kit. This is a replacement kit for Zodiac Polaris 280, 380, and 180 pool cleaners. It includes 2 hose swivels and 4 hose nuts. This kit will help keep your pool cleaner running smoothly. The package contains 2 D20 hose swivels and 4 D15 hose nuts. You'll need these parts to connect your pool cleaner's hoses. This combo kit is designed for easy installation. Each connection between 2 feed hoses requires 1 hose swivel and 2 hose nuts. This ensures a secure and leak-free connection. It's a simple yet essential part of your pool cleaning system. Please note that this kit is not compatible with the Polaris 360 pool cleaner. Make sure this is the right kit for your specific model before purchasing. It's designed for specific Polaris models. With this replacement kit, you can maintain the performance of your pool cleaner. It helps ensure your pool stays clean and inviting. Get yours today and enjoy a sparkling pool. What we like. This combo kit includes both the hose swivel and hose nuts, providing everything you need for a quick and easy replacement. It's specifically designed for Polaris 280, 380, and 180 cleaners. If you need to replace the swivel and nuts on your Polaris cleaner, this kit is a convenient and cost-effective option. What people say. Replacement cycle is maybe once every 5-7 years. Part swapped in easily, just a handful of minutes. The swivels turn freely, installed with the arrow pointing correctly, and they do have ball bearings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.